Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Then Dhruva Maharaj, the foremost of all nobles, first of all offered his obeisances at the feet of his father, and was honoured by his father with various questions. He then bowed his head at the feet of his two mothers. It may be questioned why Dhruva Maharaj offered his respect not only to his mother, but also to his stepmother, due to whose insults he had to leave home. The answer is that after achieving perfection by self-realization and seeing the Supreme Personality of Godhead face to face, Dhruva Maharaj was completely freed from all contamination of material desire. Feelings of insult or honor in this material world are never perceived by a devotee. Lord Caitanya therefore says that one has to be humbler than the grass, and he recommends more tolerant than the tree to execute devotional service. Dhruva Maharaj, therefore, has in this verse been described as Sajjanagrani, the foremost of noble men. The pure devotee is the noblest of all, and he has no feelings of animosity towards anyone. Duality due to animosity is a creation of this material world. There is no such thing in the spiritual world which is the absolute reality.